Hello students, in this video I'm going to teach you about the types of computers. Types of computers are classified by their speed, how fast they are, size, big size and small size, accuracy. Accuracy means the quality of being correct or the result of a measurement like calculation. Storage, how much capacity they can store. People use computers to complete their tasks, like bank for money transaction to record day-to-day operations, hospital use to maintain their patients' record to get X-rays, CT scans, and ultrasounds, and so on. Industries, engineering, design, etc. In education, in doing research, doing homework and assignment. Now also you use your computer or mobile for educational purpose only. Next, categories or types of computers. The first one is supercomputers. Supercomputer use lots of CPU at the same time on one problem. That is why it is known as the most powerful and the fastest computers. They are used in weather forecasting, rocket launching, complex scientific calculations. In India, Param 8000 is the first supercomputer. Dr. Vijay P. Bhatkar, he led the development of Param supercomputer. Example of supercomputers are Param and Anurag. Next, mainframe computers. The mainframe computers are less powerful and slower than the supercomputers. More than 100 people or user can use simultaneously. So they are typically used for large organizations like railway station, universities, scientific laboratories, etc. So example of mainframe computers are PDP-10 and IBM Z series. Next, mini computers. Mini computers are general purpose computers that can be used by a large number of people at the same time. In this large, like more than thousands of people can use simultaneously. They are smaller than mainframe computers and supercomputers. These mini computers are used in scientific and engineering computation, database management, mid-size server, etc. Example of mini computers are PDP-8 and VAX. Microcomputers. Micro means small. So these microcomputers are also known as PC, personal computers, because they are small in size and the cost also is less. These microcomputers are used in offices, schools, homes, shops, banks, etc. So example of microcomputers are your desktop. Why do we say desktop? Because they are fixed or sits on the desktop or the table. We cannot move easily. Laptop. Laptop can fit on your lap. So on top of our lap we keep, so it is called laptop. It can be carried easily. It has rechargeable batteries and easy to move here and there. Handheld devices. Handheld devices are small enough to be held in one hand. They are small computing devices which have different components such as display screen, touch input, and miniature keyboard, a small keyboard. Example are smartphone. We use smartphone to call and receive calls and send messages. It supports variety of service such as internet, camera, gaming, taking videos. Game console it is a type of interactive multimedia used for entertainment, mainly for entertainment. Embedded computers. The embedded computers perform some specific tasks, like particular tasks. They cannot perform different kinds of things, like ATM. ATM to withdraw your cash by using your ATM card. Kindle are used for reading, magazine, newspaper, etc. Summary of our lesson. Here on top, fast, large, expensive. Opposite of fast is slow, small, and cheap. Supercomputers are the fastest, the largest, the most expensive. Mainframe computers are slower than supercomputer, smaller than supercomputer, and cheaper than supercomputers. Likewise, it is mini computers and microcomputers also. Mini computers are more expensive than microcomputers. Mainframe computers are more expensive than mini computers. Supercomputers are more expensive than mainframe computers. So you will understand these arrows. So the example of supercomputers: Param, mainframe, PDP-10, mini, PDP-8, micro, desktop, and laptop. So here this side we'll see. Supercomputer has lots of processors, multi-user system. Microcomputers is known as PC, personal computers. So I hope you all understand.